All right, so we're headed out of Washington, headed towards Level Mountain on the trail. Right now it's just a like a logging road, class 4 road, and we're headed up to Level Mountain, and plan is to finish the Monadnock Sunapee Greenway this weekend. It's 4th of July weekend. It's probably 65 out, overcast. Couldn't ask for a better day of hike. So, more to come. So we're on the trail, headed up Level Mountain. Sign down below said 1.2 miles. We've been on it for about a quarter of a mile. This is pretty much what it's been. Nice rocky trail in the woods. So I was going to give you an idea what it looked like on the trail. We'll take some more video as we get to some steep spots. Okay, so now the trail is going up a little bit, which we're at about 1,800 feet. We got to go up if we're going to get to the top. So this is a pretty good, nice easy walking trail though, but it does go up. Give you a few seconds of the trail. That rock up there is where the trail's going. That's about the grade it's been. It's been like that for the last quarter mile. We've got gained from like 1,700 to 2,000 feet in that quarter of a mile. So it's been a pretty good steep climb. More to come. It's leveled out. Nice big rock cairn. Not much of a view up here.
No view.
No view. Maybe if we go over here.
Where's the sign? Not at the top. I thought there was a... I heard there wasn't a lot of view up here.
Huh. This mountain reminds me a lot of Gap in Troy. Same type of hiking. Maybe a little more steep, but here. But pretty good walking. Nice woods walking. So we're still on the ascent up Level Mountain, 2,250 feet right now, and then it's gotten remarkably steeper. I don't know if you can tell how steep it is, but it's pretty steep. But really beautiful day, nice breeze. Cool. We had a ton of rain yesterday. Ground is still pretty wet, but we're gonna keep on going. Okay, so this is the view from the top of Level Mountain. It's like 2,500 feet. Gorgeous views. Well worth the effort. weather is absolutely gorgeous. Could not ask for a nicer day. It's good. Capture all that on camera. So partway down the mountain, there's a sign that says Lowell State Forest on the tree. It's been a pretty steep downhill climb, but it's been good. The
Saw a snake.
breeze is just amazing. Yeah, we shoot a snake out of the trail. So we're headed right now to
The other half.
Max Israel Shelter for lunch.
Oh, yeah.
Where we maybe actually get lunch today, and then we're gonna head out to Steve Galpin. So more to come. So heading from Lovewell State Forest, we're heading into Max Israel State Forest. Trail kind of leveled off, and it's been a little up and down, but pretty level and easy walking for the last mile or so. So now we're headed into Max Israel Shelter for lunch, and then eventually on to Steve Galpin again. So, still hanging in there?
Hanging in there. Looks steep up ahead.
But more to come. So we made it to Max Israel Shelter and tied Jilly to a tree so we could eat in peace, and she's not liking us right now. This is her protest. But it's a really nice shelter. It's right off the trail. It's blue blazes when you get to the trail. It's right off the trail, and it's just an awesome shelter. And there's the pit toilet is that way behind the shelter. Looks like there'd be a good couple of good spots to tent if we were staying here, which we are not. I am actually going to take advantage of this break and actually eat some lunch. And so far, you couldn't ask for a better day. It's actually a little chilly when we stop. But no bugs, and it's warm enough to make a sweat when you walk, but cool enough where you're not sweating standing. So have something to eat, take some more vitamin I, and head on down the trail.
On the way to the pit toilet. Every shelter has one. You just have to find it. And there it is. It's just a wooden box with a hole. But it beats squatting on the ground.
But it's just absolutely gorgeous. And the sun came out a few minutes ago. It was actually cold earlier. The sun came out and it's warmed it up a little bit. And the breeze is beautiful. There's no bugs. I mean, this is just kind of what I expected in May. And not in July 4th weekend, 2016. So the trail out of Max Israel Shelter is all downhill. The whole thing is all downhill. We just came out onto, I'm guessing we're getting Half Pond Road.
Yeah, looks like we're going down more.
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna go down some more, but trail wasn't bad. Pretty good walking, just all down. We shed like 300, 400 feet of elevation. So now we're gonna keep on going. So we came down this road, you can see right from there, and now we're hitting the Monadnock Sunapee Trail link. This, I think, is going to be going through Pillsbury State Park, and there's some links to go to the park, like the Bear Pond Trail and the Ridge Link Trail. We won't be taking those, but I think we go right through the park. So we're gonna,
small section of it. Yep.
yeah, we're gonna head on in. This section looks awesome. I hope it's all like this. This section is awesome. I hope it's all like this. No rocks, no trees. Yeah, we're turning. No such luck.
It would be nice if just a little bit, like a half a mile. Right?
Yeah. We're turning.
Oh, it's a pretty bridge. Keep the camera out.
Yeah, I am. Come on, Julie. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's beautiful.
Oh, wow.
And like all things, what goes down looks like it must go up. So, after crossing that bridge, it's been a steady uphill climb. Not horrible, easy walking, just steady uphill, the whole thing. It was relentless. And then we come to a sign on the back telling us Monadnock State Park is that way. And then over there, Ridgeline Trail.
We're not going out, we're going to
Right.
the right. Oh, sorry.
So, Ridgeline Trail to the Mad Road Trail, and Monadnock Sunapee Greenway to the right. Bradford Washington Road Trail, 0.8 miles. And then there's 2 miles up here is the Bear Pond Trail.
Yeah. So that was a half a mile through.
It's like come to a Four Corners.
Pretty much.
So many options. I think we'll stay on the trail. So we just came from down there. My wife just got stung by a ground hornet or something. The dog got into him too. But the reason why I turned the camera on is we've been going up now for a little bit, and gradually up and a little bit down and up, and now we're into some stairs. It's an interesting section, so I thought it would be interesting to put on tape. So, good? So. Come on, Joe. was a cool little section. So in a cruel joke, the road coming into the shelter is straight up. And I don't know if you can see it, there's a green roof right there. That's the outhouse, privy, to the left. And then the water source is 250 yards down the trail to the north. But nice shelter, Steve Galpin shelter at Moose Lookout. Awesome shelter. We're planning on pitching a tent tonight, so we'll probably pitch a tent over there somewhere. But gorgeous, gorgeous day for July. Probably the high was 70 today at the most, and sun was in and out all day. Just living large. Can't complain. No complaints at all.